Hey everybody, let's get in the fourth part of this 22nd day. As you know, we have to ameliorate over everything. Wherever we feel like we're not better in something, that kind of parts we have to improve. So that's why that's really matters for our career, for other people. So always go to the path from where you could gain something better in a journey. Always remember that you are a person who can chase even everything in the life. So if you have this kind of perception in your life, then somehow your mentality is not normal, and then you can simply chase something better than other people uh, might have imagined about it. But you have to what you're not over here to exacerbate any kind of things over here. You are over here to make something better, to keep each and everything in a better way. So that's your vision and strategy. So even everything is over here ambiguous and dark. You have to keep each and everything in balance through your somber way, your lucid mentality. All these things matter over here, and then simply you gotta lead yourself toward your career, toward something where you can start your journey. You have to lead yourself toward these things. So accept this nothing matter. Always remember you are over here to do something better in your life. So without hard working in your career, you cannot get anything. You have to substantiate something better in your life. Whenever you come to do something substantiate in your life, then you feel like you prove something. You come to prove something with evidence. Because you are over here to do something better in your life, and then even the efforts are appreciating. They are not appreciating, like they don't deserve anyone's appreciation. But whatever you did in your life, that has to be best. Because you are over here with purpose, with strategy. So along with running along with the strategy is a kind of success in life. So even not gonna success in life, somehow you'll get that experience that is precious at this age. And you have to what corroborate good things in your life. You have to bandicate, not bandicate. If you guys are not thinking about bandicating something over here, then you come to say that whatever you did in your life, that might not be better for your career, for other people. So that's why you have to extrapolate in a proper way. And then what pontificating is also kinds of beneficial things. Because you can express, you know because if you come to pontificate in that case, you feel like I know you. It shows that you have knowledge and everything inside, but you don't want to listen to anyone's opinions or perspective, anything opinion, viewpoints. You don't want to care about those kind of. You just neglect this kind of perspective of other people, but you just want to pontificate. You just want to express your vision opinions in an arrogant way. So that it's not a good science. So always remember, always talk to anyone in a special way. So that matters a lot for you and for other people. So if you guys are thinking, if you guys have a shock for these kinds of things or something like that, always remember you are over here with a purpose. You have to chase with this mentality, with this strategy. You have to implement into real life. Even if you can elucidate in a proper way, but learn to elucidate. Because it matters a lot for you, for other people. Whenever you come to go through the path of discipline, inner inspiration, aspiration, or discipline. But what I'm repeating, it's a kind of monotonous things. That's it. Or you have to pontificate, and extrapolating is kind of benefit in your life. You have to extrapolate for the things that seems like we can if we cannot if we don't have previous evidence or something like that, that kind of analysis, and we cannot go through this way analysis or something like that. And that we have to what extrapolate, and then we can simply get the things that we are achieving in life. So what to judge legally, if you want to add judicate something better in your life. So what you will get after educating in your life? Nothing. You are not gonna get anything. So, but you mustn't have to remember, forget that you are not gonna get anything from educating or something like in your life. You are gonna get something better from it, but you have to rectify something in a proper way. Talking anything in a proper so considering each and everything over here in a proper way is a kind of beneficial itself. And then and then you have to what prosecute something better in life. You have to say that you have to start, you have to back your journey instead of stepping over here. And then you have to cognize something like that. And then if you are cognizant of falling in life, you simply start to discipline. Simply learning to move ahead toward your career through your discipline, your consistency, persistency. You wanna You don't want to be six ahead of any person, why do you have to be six ahead of other people when you are not uh, you don't want to consider yourself like a truculent things, you are not talking ahead of anyone in a truculent way. So then why do you have to stay, why do you have to care about all these kinds of perspective and perception, you don't have to care about all these things, you just have to learn to hard work over your career through percentage consistency or something like that, you have to say something better in your life, and in that, except that nothing's better for your career, you are over here with a sagacious mentality. Even people are saying that you don't have voice, your mind is what your IQ level is zero. Let them say, you just you are over here to uh, well, just to neglect other perspective perception, but in the reality, you have to be like a nuclear bomb, something like that. That kind of mentality you have to you have to build up within you, and then you have to assess, because you will learn something better from it. So that's why it matters a lot for you and for other people, even they are not treating you in a proper way, but somehow it will help you to chase the better thing in your life, and then what it is designing just things for your career, for other people, whoever are ahead of you, saying that you have to say these things in a proper way, you have the chance to get something better in your life, but it is not better, because you have to haranguing or long aggressive speech. If you are talking in a haranguing way or something like that, and that is a kind of egregious things, if that is really outstandingly awful, in that case, what do you get from it? Nothing. So that's why you have to obviate something like that, if that is really wrong, or if that don't have any kind of goodness within that things or something like that, and that we have to prevent, we have to, because we are over here not to what if you want to fix your punitive status or conditions, then you have to finance, you have to learn about financial knowledge, and then learn to invest money into that kind of things or something like that. That's actually what gives you the knowledge about something, or you can simply chase your dream at the younger at young age. You have to get, no matter what other people come to say, that's matters it's a kind of Byzantine things, you have to get at this times. So always remember, even whatever other people come to say, that it doesn't matter, you have to equity back what you are not over here to equity bucket on anyone's perspective, perception, or anything like that. You are over here to talk in a proper way. That's really matters for us and for other people. You are over here to perambulate in a proper way, not in a negative way. What you'll get after engaging in the negative way or something like that, you have to talk in a positive way or something like that. So that's why everything can be better in your life, and then simply you have to include, including anything, any kind of things in life is a kind of beneficial things in your life, and always remember that you are over here to include in a proper way. So that's why you have to teach repeatedly until a person can get anything from you. You have to, because you, as you have a sagacious mentality in your life, that matters a lot for you and other people. And always remember that you have to do something. You have to elucidate. Elucidating any kind of things in life is a kind of uh, another level of vibe and aura. A lot of people come to say that it is not a good vibe or something like that, but it matters a lot for us and for other people who actually knows the meaning of life. Who wanna who wanna get success in their life. That matters a lot for this. This is matter for those people. So always remember, you're not only the person who is enduring and tolerating these kinds of things. Your parents have already tolerated and endured and sacrificed a lot of things for you, and they're still sacrificing. So, but one thing you mustn't have to forget, that you have to do something better for your career and for the people we even are not engaging in negative act. What no, we're not talking about just the tongue slips towards somebody. So always remember, you are over here not to pontificate. And you simply can extrapolate over something, and you will get something better from it through your extrapolating or something like that. But always it doesn't matter, you are over here to not to even, you have to emulate each and everything over here, and that is a kind of beneficial thing for you and for other people. So always go through that path way. So if you guys are not thinking about all this and then you're gonna forget your existence, then just turn toward your parents and then see how they are struggling for you. So don't you remember, don't you think you must have to be the backbone of your family. You have to stay, you have to be So the time is not far. You have to work as like those people. So that's why that's matters a lot. And that's it, guys. We're gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye.